Good morning, students. Today I let you know about permutations and combination. What is permutation? Permutation is actually it's an arrangement. The set of things can be ordered in a different ways is called permutations, or we can say the taking some or all objects at a time is called permutations. It is represented by NPR, that is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Now the question is, what is this factorial? Factorial is a mathematical presentation, mathematical operation which is represents the multiplication of all numbers between 1 and n. It's a mathematical operation which represent the multiplication of all number between 1 and n. For example, 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. N factorial can be equal to 1 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied dot 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 n minus 1 into n. Now in support of that, taking questions. Question number 1, how many 3-digit number can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? Condition is if the repetition of digit is allowed. We have the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Repetition is allowed. So 3-digit number means we have to fill the unit place, we have to fill the 10th place, and we have to fill the 100th place. So if repetition is allowed, then unit place can be filled in 5 ways, 10th place can fill in 5 ways, and 100th place can also be filled in 5 ways. So total number of ways that the 3-digit number is formed is equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 is equal to 125. Now in the second part, when the repetition of digit is not allowed, it means once you write the digit at any particular place, that will be not written in the another place. So it means the number of digits will be reduced one by one. For example, the digits are 5 and we write the unit place fill in only 5 ways or 3 ways. If unit place write in 5 ways, then 10th place can write in 4 ways and 100th place can fill up in 3 ways. So total number of ways of the 3-digit number when repetition is not allowed is equal to 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 is equal to 60. Next question is, how many 3-digit even number can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6? First of all, how many even number is there? 2, 4 and 6. 3 even number is there. It means unit place can fill only in 3 ways. And because repetition is allowed, the digits can be repeated. Repetition is allowed, therefore 10th place and 100th place can fill in 6 ways each. So therefore the total number of ways of 3-digit even number is equal to 6 multiply 3, which is equal to 108. Next one, how many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet? So 4 letters code can be formed by filling up the 100,000 place in 10 ways, 100 place in 9 ways, 10 place in 8 ways, and unit place in 7 ways. So total number of ways is 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7 is equal to 5040. Question number 4, how many 5-digit telephone number can be constructed using the digit 0 to 9, and each number start with a 67 when repetition of digit is not allowed. So children, check this now. The unit place can be filled by any one of the digit, that is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8 and 9. So that the unit place can be filled in 8 ways, and the 10th place can be filled in 7 ways, and remaining, that is in a 6. Remaining can fill in 6 ways, that is 100 place. So therefore the total number of 5-digit telephone number is equal to 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 is equal to 336, because 6 and 7 is the digit which is fixed number. We are filling unit place, 10th place and 100 place only. Next question, a coin is tossed 3 times. The children, you have done this question in the previous class also. When a coin is tossed 3 times, we get the total number of outcomes 8, and the sample points are triple H, HHT, HTH, THH, TTH, THT and HTT and triple T, that is TTT. So therefore the total number of outcomes in tossing a coin 3 times is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is equal to 8. Question number 6, that is how many 3-digit number can be formed by using the digit 1 to 9. Repetition is not allowed. Total number of digit is 9 and number of digit to be used is 3. So number of permutation is equal to 9p3 is equal to 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3, which is 6 factorial. So 9 factorial upon 6 factorial, that is equal to 504. Next, question number 7, how many 4-digit number can be formed when the digit is not repeated? I mean the repetition is not allowed. So total number of digits is there 10, but 0 cannot be filled in the 1000 place. So therefore the number of 0 cannot be filled in the 4th place. Therefore the number of permutations for the 4th place is 9. So 9p1 multiply 9p3 is equal to 504 multiply 9 is equal to 4536, 4536. Question number 8, find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. No digit is repeated. How many of these will be even? So first of all, there are how many? 5 digit is there. So we have to create a 4-digit number. So number of permutation is 5p4 is equal to 5 factorial upon 5 minus 4 factorial, which is equal to 1 factorial. Therefore 5 factorial upon 1 factorial is equal to 120. So then we have to find the how many of these will be even numbers. Even numbers. So in even, that is in unit place, we can fill only 2 or 4. So 2p1, the total number of even number is 2 and digit required is 1. So 2p1 multiply 4p3, because total number of digit is 5, but one digit we used in the unit places and the total digit required 4, one digit already used in unit place. So the total number of permutation will be for the even number is 4p3 multiply 2p1 is equal to 48. Again, recap of this now. What is permutation? Permutation is the kind of arrangement when we take some or all digit at a time. The set of things can be arranged in a different ways. For example, you take 1, 2 and 3. How to write 1, 2 and 3 in a different ways? We can write 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 3, 2, comma 2, 1, 3, comma 2, 3, 1, comma 3, 1, 2, comma 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3 we can write in a 6 different ways. Similarly, suppose you have a ABC, you have to write in a different ways. You have to write the number of permutation for ABC. How you write now? You write ABC, comma ACB, comma BAC, comma BCA, comma CAB, comma CBA, CAB. So total number of permutations is there 6. This way we can write the number of permutations of any particular number or particular digits. I hope you understand this. Permutation means the number of arrangements taking some or all digits at a time, represented by NPR, that is n factorial, upon r n minus r factorial. What is this factorial? Factorial is a mathematical operation which represent the multiplication of all numbers between 1 and n. I hope you understand this also. Please recap, get the revision of all these.